Here's your 800-word YouTube script for Auto Luxury channel. Writing. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Auto Luxury, the channel where we celebrate the world's most fascinating classic automobiles and their incredible history. If you love vintage cars, timeless engineering, and automotive legends, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss an episode. Today, we are traveling back more than a century to explore one of America's most prestigious automobiles, the 1914 Cadillac 30. This remarkable machine represents an era when automobiles were transforming from experimental transportation into symbols of luxury, reliability, and technological innovation. The Cadillac Model 30 was one of the company's most important vehicles. Introduced in the early 1900s, it helped establish Cadillac as a leader in quality and precision manufacturing. By 1914, the Model 30 had evolved into a refined and highly respected automobile admired by wealthy buyers across America. At first glance, the 1914 Cadillac 30 captures the elegance of the brass era and the early vintage automobile period. Its tall stance, large wheels, sweeping fenders, and beautifully crafted body create an appearance that is both graceful and commanding. Every detail reflects craftsmanship and attention to quality. Unlike modern vehicles filled with electronic systems, this Cadillac relied on mechanical excellence and expert engineering. One of the most impressive features of the 1914 Cadillac 30 was its powerful four-cylinder engine. At a time when many vehicles struggled with reliability, Cadillac focused on producing engines that delivered smooth and dependable performance. The engine provided enough power to comfortably handle the roads of the era, which were often rough and unpaved. Owners appreciated the confidence that came with driving a Cadillac, knowing they were behind the wheel of one of the most advanced automobiles available. Cadillac had already gained international recognition for its commitment to precision manufacturing. The company became famous for demonstrating interchangeable parts, proving that components could be replaced without custom fitting. This innovation revolutionized automobile production and set new standards for the industry. The 1914 Cadillac 30 benefited directly from this philosophy, offering owners a vehicle that was easier to maintain and more reliable than many competitors. Another reason enthusiasts admire the 1914 Cadillac 30 is its luxurious character. During this period, owning a Cadillac was a sign of success and sophistication. The interiors were carefully crafted using premium materials available at the time. Comfortable seating, elegant trim, and thoughtful design made long journeys far more enjoyable than many other automobiles of the era. The driving experience of the Cadillac 30 was unique. Drivers sat high above the road with excellent visibility. Large wooden steering wheels, mechanical controls, and simple instrumentation created a direct connection between driver and machine. Every journey required skill and attention, making driving an engaging and memorable experience. For many collectors today, that authentic connection is one of the most appealing aspects of owning a vehicle like this. The year 1914 was also an important period in automotive history. Manufacturers were competing to introduce new technologies and improve reliability. Cadillac stood at the forefront of these developments. The company's dedication to engineering excellence helped shape the future of the automobile industry. Vehicles such as the Cadillac 30 demonstrated that luxury and dependability could exist together, influencing generations of cars that followed. Collectors and historians often praise the 1914 Cadillac 30 because it represents a pivotal moment in automotive evolution. It bridges the gap between the earliest motor vehicles and the more sophisticated automobiles that would emerge in the decades ahead. Every restored example serves as a rolling piece of history, allowing modern audiences to experience the innovation and craftsmanship of the early 20th century. When displayed at classic car shows, the Cadillac 30 attracts attention wherever it goes. Spectators are often amazed by its elegant proportions, intricate details, and historical significance. The vehicle tells a story of ambition, innovation, and progress. It reminds us how far automotive technology has advanced while highlighting the remarkable achievements of early engineers. What makes the 1914 Cadillac 30 truly special is its lasting legacy. More than 100 years after it first appeared, enthusiasts continue to celebrate its contribution to automotive history. It stands as a testament to Cadillac's commitment to quality, luxury, and engineering excellence. The values represented by this automobile helped build the reputation that Cadillac enjoys to this day. For vintage car enthusiasts, the 1914 Cadillac 30 is far more than an antique automobile. It is a symbol of innovation, craftsmanship, and the pioneering spirit that defined the early automotive industry. Every polished brass component, every carefully restored panel, and every mile driven tells a story from a remarkable chapter of transportation history. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history of the 1914 Cadillac 30. We hope you enjoyed learning about this incredible classic automobile and its contribution to the development of luxury motoring. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with fellow car enthusiasts, and subscribe to Auto Luxury for more amazing stories about legendary automobiles from the past and present. Until next time, keep your passion for classic cars alive and continue exploring the wonderful world of automotive history. Did you like this feature?